Hello guys. So let me give you the complete introduction and the complete analysis of the market of XAUUSD using my indicator. It is custom developed. Almost I have taken 2 years to develop just this all these concepts. Each concept will be work in different way. So I will explain you on that one. And also each indicators will be shown for different situations. So we can switch between the indicators and we can combine two indicators and we can still able to trade in without with a caution. Okay, so first concept is, okay, let me start with the simple one. Okay, this is the first one. So let me give you the analysis in the 15 minutes as the XAU USD market, Forex market will be very good for the 15 minutes. Okay, see, for example, whenever you see blue color, you can be like consider that as a ranging market. Okay, if you see this one, this color, then consider this as a you have been entered into the ranging market. So you have to be careful while taking the trading. Okay, so you can observe whenever you see this particular rejection. Okay, then immediately it you can able to observe the buy signal. Okay, this is a upper trend signal. Okay, and also these clouds are the reversal zone. It's called a reversal zone, and these are the trend bands. Okay, this is the trend bands where if you see the red band, you have to only you can be consider that as a downtrend. Okay, down market. If you see the blue color band, then you can able to consider that as a upper trend. Okay, so when you see the red trend red band, you can only plan for the sell option, a short option. Okay, also these what is that band will be considered as a support or the resistance in many cases. For example, here you can see this acted as a support. Okay, and also this here everywhere acted as a support here, and how nicely it has been like resistance over here. Okay, I can show you in many examples like this one. For example, here, okay, whenever red band comes here, one, two, three times it got rejected. Okay, then as still the buyers are entering the market, you can consider that this as a upper trend, and you can consider that like upper trend, and you can trade till this particular cloud. Okay, so after this cloud, you have to be more careful. Like you can trade re-enter using the trend catcher. Okay, this is the trend catcher as you can see here. Okay, whenever it crosses here above this particular line, you can consider as a buy, and you can with the trailing stop loss, you can take up to till this target. Okay, another concept is whenever you see this particular red band. Okay, if you are trading the buy side, then you have to target only till this particular what you say this particular level. Okay, whenever it touches this one, you have to exit from the market. For example, even if you take this particular trend, you can able to take it only till here, then you have to exit. That is the rule actually. Okay, also like see here also it took a taken as a support. Okay, so whenever if you are trading in a reverse, okay, then if you enter in sell over here, whenever it coming down, you can only expect the trend only till touches this one. Okay, here it touches in this particular level. Okay, then you exit, that's all. If you are entering in a reverse trade. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, if you in many times reversal zone, from reversal zone many times it will rebounds, as you can see here, from here to this one, you can get a very, you can able to capture like a very good trend here. Okay, so and one more thing, yeah, here also you can able to see from here to here, and here one more time it got touched, and here again retraced a little bit, then it went again till this particular level, same level. Okay. Okay, this is very simple one. Okay, there is nothing, no complexion. Okay, easily you can trace using the trailing stop loss with each green candle below as you have to keep a sell. So that's all, that's it, that's all about it. It's a very simple and perfect concept where you can easily trade and easily you can able to catch early detections. And for everything you can able to use this particular indicator called as turbo trend. Okay, this is one concept. Another one is king order block. This is my favorite one and it is very advanced one. Okay, each market, each everywhere, like you can, by you seeing the order blocks, you can able to trade in the market. Whole markets mapping, it will get it done. Okay, you can observe how many times you can observe how many times it got rejected from the order blocks. OB means order block minus, or OB plus means order block plus. Okay, OB minus and plus. Okay, every time whenever it touches here, okay, it will rebounce back. Okay, some or other thing, other reaction will happen. Okay, this is nothing but a mitigated bear and mitigated bull. Two signals are there. Okay, whenever you see this particular signal, okay, you can consider from here 1 raised to 2, you can able to consider from here to here 1 raised to 2 you can consider. But the only thing is like 1 raised to 2 you can consider here. It's a huge SLs. It's better trace using the trailing stop loss. Okay, here 1 raised to 1 you can able to get it. And also in many places, see here, whenever you see the mitigation bull, you can enter here 1 raised to 2. One indicator, one strategy. Wherever you see the mitigation bull, you can able to easily enter, and 1 raised to 2 you can able to capture. Okay, but whenever it's a uptrend, then you have to be very careful with the mitigation bear. Okay, it's better to avoid this one. Okay, so what I'm saying is, see, for example, here there is an order block. Okay, how many times it got rejected here? See, if it is if this indicator does not work, it should have been like before itself it would have gone here, right? So no, it is working very beautifully there. That is the reason, like, it is reacting only, market is reacting, or this indicator I have developed using the reaction of the market immediately. Okay, on spot you can able to see all those things. And then there is a concept called fulfilled mitigation, fulfilled order blocks, uh, and pending order blocks. Okay, this is the pending order block. Okay, in some or other time market will definitely come down here in the future. You cannot say when it is. Okay, it can come at any time. For example, what I'm saying is, even there is a hairline gap, then also market will revisit with that particular level, because it is a pending order blocks. See, exactly it has been taken for till this order block, then immediately it got reversed because of the order blocks. Again, one more order block plus has been put in the market. Okay, till what level you can expect? See, there is a one more unsatisfied or pending order block is there. You can see in this one. Okay, market some or other time it will come in this particular level. See, here only till here it went, and here it got satisfied. This order block has been fulfilled in this particular level. Okay, this is another concept. So once it has been satisfied, it crossed. What does it mean by satisfied, like, or fulfilled order block? Means the body has to close above this one, then only it will be considered as a fulfilled order block. Okay, here see, exactly same level it got crossed, and it started reversing. This is a completely fulfilled and started reversing from here. FVG considered as a resistance here. So from here only market started going down. Okay, but still as the trend continues here, like a upper trend, see, you can expect pending order block was from till here. See, till here it has been satisfied and started coming back here. How nicely, immediately after that, immediately all this order blocks has been mitigated. Okay, which means In future, some or other time, it will definitely come in this particular level. Okay, and here also it will definitely come. See here, it immediately started reversing. Okay, see here. Okay, once it is there, you can expect market to reverse. Okay, here double top has been created. Okay, also you can check this in 1 hour, same concept. 1 hour also, where is the order block, you can able to mark all those things. Then you will have a more idea on the whatever the levels you have to trade. Okay, see here there is one more order block in the, see how nicely it reacted to this level. Order block minus, it started ranging in this particular level. Okay, this was another condition where I told like it's a pending one. Okay, previously in 15 minutes. Okay, see, all these levels will be considered as a very important level where you can, by using that, you can be more careful in the market, or entry and exit plan, everything you can able to plan using the order blocks. Okay, so like that. And there's a 15-minute order block, which is very important. And you can always, same concept will be applied for the 1 minute, 3 minute, any of the time frames. Okay, the market is considered as a ranging market only when there is a continuous order block from the top and from the bottom at a time. Like here you can see, it's a ranging market because too much of order blocks are there from the bottom, and also there's a big order block is in the top. Actually, see here also, you here suddenly order block plus came. Okay, here order block minus got rejected in this particular level, and it will revisit in this particular time frame time. So here you can see order block has been continuously rejecting from this level, and order block minus is there. This also got satisfied here. You can consider this upper trend, and you can easily catch till here. Okay, so there is a double bottom here, and till this you can able to expect. Okay, it went only till that particular level. Here it got satisfied, then immediately it got retraced. Okay, and this one also, like here multiple times is getting rejected. Till when, till which level it can come? Only till this level. Okay, this kind of a thing you can able to easily analyze it using this particular indicator. In order block is very much important. And also mitigation bull strategy, as I told you, 1:2. Here from here 1:2, bear 1:2. So from this particular level, this is the your bear. It will happen only when it is crossed below this particular recent swing pivot level. Okay, okay, that is where it will give you the signal, because it has to be more accurate. That is the reason it will give you the signal only after crossing that one. Okay, here and all it will show, because it's a 15 minutes, it will be maximum 500 candles, it will go show the signal. Okay, so here this is the another concept. And one more concept, if you search whole internet, this concept you won't be able to get, because if you observe, market will be changing every half an hour. Okay, as I'm in India, I'll be showing the time of XAUUSD as per the Indian time frame. Okay, time. Okay, let me tell you. See, each market will be divided into half an hour session. Okay, each whole market is divided into half an hour session. So you can see every half an hour trend will be changing. Here it was going here. After 10:29, put a box here. Okay, put a box here, and you observe the reversal trade till here. See, only after half an hour only it got changed. It started reversing. Okay, this this behavior observed by me. Okay, I just observed this behavior in the market. You can see, observe here. This was ranging here. Slowly it was going down. Okay, you can observe here. Only after 6:29 started going completely down till this complete session, complete half an hour. Okay, you can observe. So in the market, okay, even when there is a level, how much level is important. Same thing, what is the time you are trading. Okay, you should not trade in between here, you will definitely lose your trade. Okay, you have to observe initial session of the each half an hour. Like 5:30, 6, 6:30, 7, 7:30, like that actually. Okay, what I'm saying is after a 5:30 how it will behave here. You have to observe what is the where is the order blocks, what trend it is happening. So immediately after crossing this you can able to enter one session, boom, that's all. You can easily capture these many trends. Okay, and this is another concept. And then there is a smart trend, which is a very simple and one. And whenever if there's a bear, you have to only focus on bear condition. Whenever it is retracing, if it's a buy, the retracing, wait for the retracement inside or touching this line. SL is this one. Till here you can take, or you can use the trailing stop loss to get the maximum opportunities. Okay, you wait for the retracement. See here how nicely it retraced till this particular line, then started coming down till here. You can able to capture here also, like you can able to start here and here, like that. You have to wait for retracement. Whenever if you add this smart trend, you have to wait for the retracement and recovery. When the market starts recovering, then you have to enter. Okay, that is the main concept. And this particular box is the to show the ranging. Okay, you can observe here, you can able to avoid all these trades. Whenever see there's a from here to here completely, it's in the box, there is no that much movement. Okay, on top of it, if you apply smart king order block, then it would be very good thing. Okay. Okay, that's it. I think to get a most of the profitable thing, you just need turbo trend, king order block, and deep trending. Deep trending is just the concept. That's all. Like there is nothing. Half an hour, even you can, I mean, put a vertical line here every half an hour, put a box here, then wait for the order block or something to be observed in the market, then enter. Okay, so in 1 minute time frame. Okay, like that. I will always take the 1 minute because of that one. And yeah, that is it actually. Most of it to make it, I mean, to be in the profitable in the market, only these three is enough. And other concepts also I have developed it. You can see a smart money concept here, breakup structure, all those things applied in this one. Okay, you can using that indicators you can able to trade, no problem. Smart money concept, everything has been implemented in this particular indicator. See, demand and supply. So whenever you touches here, you have to be careful of the rejection. Then whenever you see the rejection, you start trade on this one. In each concept you have to like trade whenever in particular level market has to start reverse rejection. Okay, and only that particular time you have to enter. Then only you can able to capture, or you can able to put less point pips in the SL and more pips in the as a profit. Yeah, that's all friends. Thank you so much.